see more than one. And they're trapped in there. Well, I'm back at Mouse Patrol here. I had those pieces of tape covering these slots here. And right there is a mouse tail. And there are glue traps that I slipped up in between here. And I know I got one for sure. I'm hoping I got two because I know there was two up there. There's a trap on this side, but I don't see anything in it. So I'm gonna take that down and see what's in it. So I took the cover off, and you can see where they started making another nest. I don't know if you can see it. Thought I heard something. Maybe there's a third one, because I did catch two of them. That one's empty. So now I'm going to have to dig that nest out. And I've got a container of water underneath this. This black tub's got water in it. In case something did drop out of there, it would drop right into the bucket. Well, look what we have here. Glue traps on both sides. Must have got an email late that said, hey, there's food in this trailer. And guess what? He is no more. It looks like his entrails have been pulled out. It looks like there might have been another mouse stuck in there and got away. Well, I invite him to come back and try again. But this time, try it on the other side. That one's nice and sticky still. We'll see how that goes. I'll leave you there for bait. Well, I'm hoping my mouse patrol duties are coming to a completion here today. I got here on Monday and today is Saturday, and it seems like every day I've been dealing with this. I caught 8 mice, 6 of them inside the trailer and 2 of them outside the front door. So I've got it all contained up on top. There's no way a mouse is going to get in through the top. I had no idea that even it was possible that they could before. So now with all the tar and caulk and pieces of metal reinforcement and 2x4 reinforcement, it's a fortress here at Camp Flat Rock. That's what I call this place, Camp Flat Rock, CFR. So I'm done for that today, besides putting this all back together regarding the mice, and it's time to move on to my next project.